This strike notice is not going to be for UHC alone. All our members working in public health facilities in this country will join the UHC on strike. And we will be on strike until such a day the transition shall have been fully implemented and UHC given appointment letters by their respective county public service boards.
From here, we're going to serve the strike notice, and it's not just going to end by the strike notice alone. We have also activated all our teams in respective counties, comrades power, and that we are saying that we are actually going to have demonstrations on a weekly basis. We need them to come here. We are going to pitch camp at the Ministry of Health headquarters and ensure that our colleagues, the UHC colleagues, receive their PNP letters.